Red. Barely. They already wrestled, right?
Yeah.
So they have a challenge. Wait, what does it mean when it's a challenge? You can do that? I've never heard anyone do that. I've never even heard high schoolers doing that. Because I was like, I would bet that a bunch of high schoolers, I don't think it's high school world, because too many kids would be like, yeah. No, but I bet you like we would never leave. Alex. Oh, it's for the ref. It's for the ref. Okay. 11, 10, 9, 8. Sure, Alex, for the ref. That must suck. I'd get so mad. I'd be like, I didn't beat you once. No, I just beat you again. Yeah. But honestly, that would suck though. Like, you beat him already, and then you get challenged and you lose. That would be heartbreaking. I know. What? They got both? And then we're just like, oh, we have to work the table. 24. They're gonna go out. And period 2. I told you it was third period. That we only have. I know you were like 15 minutes ago. I'm like, yo, no, we have another period. Oh, dude, I feel bad. This kid is losing. Come on, I've never. This minute needs to go by. It's our last one. Come on. Ew. Come on. I know. It's gonna suck though because when you go to high school, then you like think you can challenge And be like, nope, sorry. They are? Oh, they are. I don't know, I was like, what? It sucks because they practice with each other, so they know the moves. That's why, yeah, that's why the girls don't wrestle in the same weight class.
Same one's doing the bracket just for that group.
First. Girl like you never look so blue. No wonderful flowers.